Hey guys! For today's video, ituturo ko kung paano nyo malalaman ang inyong credit score. So una, kailangan nyo munang i-download itong Lista app. Kapag na-i-download nyo na, i-click ang continue with mobile number. Ilagay ang inyong mobile number, then click continue at ilagay naman ang inyong full name. I-click ang maliit na box. By continuing, you agree to Lista's terms, privacy policy, outsourcing agreement, and data sharing agreement. Then i-click yung save profile. Dito, mag-create ng 4-digit PIN para sa Lista app ninyo. I-click nyo lang yung continue, then others, at napupunta na kayo sa inyong dashboard. Dito sa homepage, i-click ang credit score. Ang sabi dito, increase your chances in credit card and loan approvals. What is credit score? Your credit score is a 3-digit number that helps banks decide if they will lend you money or give you a credit card. Dito ay pindutin nyo lang yung CIBI o CB. Then click proceed. Kailangan nyo muna ma-verified kung kayo o sa inyo nga ba talaga ang inyong kukunin na credit score. Kailangan nyo lang maghanda ng one valid ID and then click proceed. I-check ang I have read and accept Lista's terms and conditions of use and privacy policy. Then click proceed. After that ay may babayaran kayong 199 pesos for one credit score request at pwede nyo itong bayaran through GCash. And here's an example of credit score. Nakalagay dyan ang inyong credit payment history, types of loans, length of credit history, debt utilization, and whether you've applied for a new account.